There are other kinds of functions called as pre-installed modules. Now, if I want to use those functions, I should import them. Now, what is the meaning of pre-installed modules? In the first class of my Python, I told the Python supports hundreds of libraries, hundreds of modules. I can import them and I can use in my program. Okay, modules in Python are reusable libraries of code having .py. Okay, now which implements a group of methods and statements. Python comes up with many built-in modules. One such kind of, first let me go for a simple example. Okay, I think we have already discussed this function. If I want to use a random function, in my previous programs we have discussed some functions such as if I want to generate random integers in between 5-10. Now actually speaking, random integer is a function from this library called random. If I want to use those random, I should use them in my program by using import keyword. If I import it, it will come to my program and I can use all the functions of this library. Okay, now can you please get me?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Now there is one more library called math library, which is used to do some mathematical operation. There are functions such as ceil, square root, pi, cos, tan, factorial, and power. All these are built-in functions using math. Directly I can use function name library name function. Clear? Now shall I discuss theory for pre-installed modules? What is the theory? To use just a minute. To use modules in my program, we should use a import statement. Syntax is import space module name. Okay, all the statements are placed in the beginning of the program. Always import statement has to be placed in the beginning of the program. It is a mandatory rule. Okay, for example, import math. Math module is a part of Python standard library for doing mathematical operations. Okay, na? If I want to use function name, how can I write? Module name dot function name. Okay, na? Hello, got it?
Yes.
Hello. Hello, is it okay, Nandi?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now, let me go for some examples. Yeah, come over here. Here, built-in functions, absolute of -3, minimum value, max value, power, then go for pre-installed modules. Ceil means there is function ceil 5.36. Floor means 5. Okay, ceil means floor value. You can give 5.1, still it will show as 6. Now, if I want to generate random numbers, now this is the starting number, this is ending number. Anytime it is going to generate a new random number in between them. Okay, now? Hello?
Yes.
Hello? Yeah, these are the things which are required as a functions for us. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now, yeah, if you permit me, I wanted to start most important topic is now. Just give me 1 minute. Let me close it and